A very common problem for all e-commerce websites today is cart abandonment. The average percentage at which users abandon their cart is around 69%. And that is not good if you're trying to run a business. So I want to take you through a few tips for helping you reduce cart abandonment. Firstly, exit intent pop-ups. They're a great tool for catching a user right before they leave with that one last attempt at securing the sale. Right before they're about to leave, showing them a pop-up, offering a discount, free shipping, or even recommending other products that they might be interested in are all great tactics at persuading someone to complete the checkout. Another trick you can use is to cut out surprises. One of the biggest reasons someone will abandon their cart is due to being surprised at the end of the checkout. And a whopping 60% of that is all due to shipping prices. Be upfront about your delivery times, your payment options, and shipping costs so your users aren't caught off guard. Maybe even try free shipping. A study showed it's one of the top incentives for shopping online. Offer guest checkouts. Something that can really frustrate users is forcing them to create an account. Actually, 37% of shoppers reveal that this is a major turn-off. So save the sale, let them check out, and then offer the option for them to save their information for next time. And finally, if you already have their email address, send them cart reminder emails. Sometimes users might just be closing the browser with the intent of coming back, but they forget. So sending them timed, personalized emails reminding them of what was in their cart, maybe even giving them an offer, can be a great tool to getting them back on your website to complete the checkout.